Hello, friends! Today is our class 37. In today's class, we are going to learn 5 important tools: Shaper tool, Pencil tool, Smooth tool, Path eraser tool, and Joint tool. The Shaper tool turns rough sketches into clean shapes instantly. You can also merge or erase shapes using simple gestures. The Pencil tool is used for freehand drawing with full control. You can also edit and reshape existing paths easily. The Smooth tool helps refine uneven and jagged paths. It improves the overall quality of your drawing. The Path eraser tool removes only selected parts of a path. It helps you edit without deleting the entire object. The Join tool connects open endpoints into a single path. It is useful for fixing broken or incomplete shapes. Practicing these tools will make your vector work cleaner and more professional.